Gotta wear sunglasses because it's so bright. My name is Ryan McConnell. I am just an ordinary guy that is working to turn this barn into what I call my dream shop. And I'm gonna take you through all the different steps, kind of one by one, on how I'm gonna make this into a shop that will work for me and my family. Specifically, for me, what I like to work on, I have small boats, Boston whalers that I work on, and I've only worked on one, but I plan to work on more. I'll say that. And so I'm trying to build a space for me to do that, as well as for my wife and my family and I to do other things with this. So come with me on this journey to make this thing into what I'm going to call the dream shop.